same day, but wanted to get ahead of the game and go ahead and record this for you. That way it's already ready for tomorrow and you don't have to worry about anything. So this lesson is going to be over simple and compound sentences. So we'll begin with what are pieces of a sentence. So you have to have an independent clause. So that means it presents a complete thought and can stand alone as a sentence. Some sentences are just like that. They are just independent clauses. So simple sentences are sentences with one independent clause and can have one or more subjects and one or more predicates. I've got a few examples here. I'll walk you through each one. The roosters crowed in unison. So the roosters is our subject, and then the predicate would be crowed in unison. So one subject, one predicate. Socrates and Plato are Greek philosophers. So here we've got two subjects, Socrates and Plato. And then we have our one predicate, our Greek philosophers. So two subjects, one predicate. And then our last example, we've got two of each. So Marcel and Naomi set the table and served dinner. So our two subjects, Marcel and Naomi. First predicate, set the table. Second predicate, serve dinner. Joined by a fanboy, coordinate conjunction. So, simple sentences. One independent clause, either with one subject, one predicate, one subject, two predicates, two subjects, one predicate, or two of each. So, variety of how that can look, but remember, they're not joined together by semicolon, or there's not like a comma and a fanboy. They are just one independent clause. So, compound sentences, moving on, more complicated. They are sentences with two or more simple sentences or independent clauses. Compound sentence can be two sentences joined with a comma and a coordinate conjunction. And then I've listed the most common coordinate conjunctions here for you. Remember we talked about those last week. Those are the fanboys. So for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. So, and then I have one example here that shows it with a comma and a coordinate conjunction. The marching band, excuse me, the marching band needs to raise money, comma, so band members will sell raffle tickets. So I want you to notice here, compound sentences, two or more simple sentences, or what we call independent clauses. So the first independent clause we have is right here. The marching band needs to raise money. That's the first independent clause. And then the second, band members will sell raffle tickets. That's the other independent clause. And they're joined together, like what the rule says, by a comma and then a fanboy. So a coordinate conjunction, the word so. And then the other way that you can make a compound sentence, you can use a semicolon. So almost following the exact same rule, except compound sentence can also be two simple sentences joined with a semicolon. So I took mostly the same sentence here, shortened it a little bit. The band the band needs to raise money, semicolon, members will fundraise to earn, period. So our two clauses, our two independent clauses are right here, and then the other one starts over there. So the band needs to raise money, independent clause 1, semicolon, connecting the two, members will fundraise to earn, second independent clause. As usual, if you guys would please let me know if you have any questions. You can send me a message through Google Classroom, or you can send me an email. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.